In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write code. By the end, you'll know how to generate code quickly, fix bugs, learn concepts faster, improve what you've written, and even build full projects and automations with confidence. Let's start with generating code quickly. You don't need to phrase things perfectly. Just describe what you want the code to do. For example, ask for a simple Python calculator app, or request the HTML for a clean portfolio website. Be specific about the language, any libraries you prefer, the target environment, and any constraints like works in the browser only or compatible with Python 3.11. If you want reusable code, ask for clear comments and a brief explanation of how it works. You can iterate, request changes, add features, or ask for test cases to validate behavior. Next, use ChatGPT to debug and fix errors. Paste the error message or the smallest snippet that reproduces the problem and explain what you expected to happen. Ask for a plain English diagnosis, a corrected snippet, and why the fix works. Share the context, framework version, OS, or runtime, so the guidance fits your setup. For safety, never include passwords, tokens, or private data. If you like to compare approaches, ask for 2 solutions and a short pros and cons summary. You can also learn programming faster by asking for step-by-step explanations, from fundamentals like loops and functions to topics in Python, JavaScript, or C++. Request short tutorials with examples, then follow up with, "Explain it like I'm new," or "Show me a real-world analogy." If you're studying, ask for practice exercises and solutions so you can check your understanding as you go. When you want to improve or optimize code, ask for a refactor that enhances readability, reduces complexity, or follows best practices. You can request better naming, modular functions, and handling of edge cases. If performance matters, ask for complexity analysis and alternatives, then benchmark the suggestions in your environment. A targeted code review with style guide alignment can make your code base more consistent. Finally, build projects and automations with ChatGPT as your co-pilot. Have it scaffold websites, apps, bots, or workflow tools. Ask for a project plan, a file structure, a dependency list, and the exact commands to set things up. It can propose API integrations, database schemas, and automation ideas, then help you iterate until it fits your needs. Treat this like a conversation. Generate, test, refine, and learn. Review all output carefully, run code in a safe environment, and keep security in mind. With clear prompts and steady iteration, you'll code faster, debug smarter, and ship better projects.